Your meal planner in Prepear is the perfect tool to turn your favorite recipes into real family meals. Here's how to use it. Open your planner from the icon at the bottom of your screen and tap Add a Recipe underneath the day you'd like to plan for. So in this case, under Friday, January 1st, I'm going to tap Add a Recipe. And this brings up a collection of recipes that I've already put in cookbooks that I've already previously saved. So I'm going to go into my dinners cookbook and then add the chicken tikka masala recipe to Friday for dinner. Sometimes your plans don't require recipes. Maybe you're having leftovers, spaghetti night, or dinner at mom's. You can type non-recipe meal ideas into your meal planner by tapping the quick add field under any date or the lightning bolt symbol beside a date that already has a meal already added to it. So I'm going to tap the lightning bolt and tap date night. And your planner also gives you the flexibility to remove recipes and move them to different days as well. So in this case, I'm going to remove the cherry chocolate chip cake recipe from Tuesday, December 29th by swiping right and then tapping remove. And then this 5-ingredient meatball subs, I'm going to move to a different day. So I'm going to swipe right and then tap move to day. And then move that to Sunday, January 3rd. And that's just a basic overview of how the meal planner works on your mobile device.